theta plus cos squared theta. This gives us a value of 1. Okay, now what I want to do in this session, I want to build from this one and sort of derive other very important identities that can be derived from this identity. Okay, we can see that from this I can make sine squared the subject, right, by taking cos squared to the other side. Now if I do that, I will find out that sine squared of theta is basically equal to 1 minus cos squared of theta. And obviously I can do the very same thing with cos squared theta. I can say that cos squared theta is basically equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, so these are super important for us to take note of, because we will be using it a lot in this particular section. Okay, and then another thing that we can do is we can derive 2 more identities from this main identity. So I can take sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, which is equal to 1, and then I can divide all of this by sine squared theta. Okay, if I do that, sine squared of theta. Now sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta, these will cancel, we will be left with 1, and then cos squared theta divided by sine squared theta, we can write this like that. So we can say this is cos theta over sine theta, and then we can just write the square on the outside like this. And then very importantly, 1 over sine squared theta is equal to what? Now we established in our previous sessions that if we have 1 over a trig ratio, that tells us that we are looking for the reciprocal of that particular trig ratio. So 1 over sine theta is basically the reciprocal of sine theta, and that is cosec theta. Okay, so this is cosec theta. Okay, so this is cosec theta. Now if 1 over sine theta is cosec theta, then that means that 1 over sine squared theta is cosec squared theta. Okay, this means that this is equal to cosec squared theta.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next